Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you 7 secret Microsoft 365 admin portals you must know. My name is Jasmine, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or cloud pro fast. Microsoft 365 provides several web interfaces for administrators, like different dashboards for managing your cloud subscription. The main admin center is your hub for common tasks like adding users, while specialist workspaces within it offer deeper control over security, devices, email, or collaboration tools. There might also be separate portals for managing specific apps or integrated Azure services. In short, these admin portals give you the tools to fine-tune and maintain your Microsoft 365 environment. The first admin portal that you should know is Microsoft Stream Admin Center. Microsoft Stream, a video sharing service within Microsoft 365, offers a dedicated admin center for managing its functionalities within your organization. This web portal empowers administrators with specific controls over Microsoft Stream. They can manage video content, assign permissions, and configure settings to optimize Stream usage within your company. Its key functionalities include content management, where admins can add other admins, manage video ownership, and even remove videos if needed. Imagine it as a control panel for all the video content uploaded to Stream. Further, it is used for assigning Stream admin roles that allow for granular control over who can upload videos, set usage guidelines, and require user consent before uploads. To access it, go to your Microsoft Admin Center and then click on All Admin Centers from the left menu. Next, look for Stream in the list of admin centers that appeared on the right. On the Stream dashboard, you have several key options. You can upload a video, perform a screen recording, conduct a camera recording, and create a playlist. The top bar provides additional functionalities. By clicking on the settings icon, you can access third-party notices, change the theme of the Stream portal, select your preferred language, enable dark mode, change your password, and update content preferences. Additionally, you can access Microsoft To Do and Planner to help manage daily tasks. Microsoft To Do helps you track and organize your tasks efficiently, while Planner provides a collaborative space for project management. To upload a video, use the Upload option on the dashboard. This will upload the video to your OneDrive, allowing you to edit it directly in Stream. You can also set permissions to control who can view and edit the video. For screen or camera recording, Stream will request the necessary permissions, which you need to grant to start recording. You also have the option to record audio only if desired. Screen recording is ideal for creating tutorials, presentations, or capturing any on-screen activity, while camera recording is perfect for vlogs, interviews, and face-to-face communication. After completing your recording or uploading your content, Stream provides a range of powerful editing and management tools. You can trim your video directly within Stream to remove any unwanted parts. The chapter option allows you to create segments within your video, making it easier for viewers to navigate through the content. For example, if you're creating a training video, you can use chapters to divide the video into different sections based on topics. Stream also enhances interactivity by allowing you to add quizzes, forms, or polls to your videos. This is particularly useful for educational content, where you can engage viewers and assess their understanding. Additionally, you can enable comments to facilitate feedback and discussions directly on the video. Video settings in Stream allow you to manage thumbnails, add captions for accessibility, and apply noise suppression to improve audio quality. You can also enable or disable the dashboard options, whether they will be displayed or not, within the video project. Admins have access to comprehensive analytics tools that offer an overview of video performance and user engagement. These analytics provide insights into how many times a video has been viewed, the average watch time, and viewer interaction. This information is invaluable for understanding the impact of your videos and identifying areas for improvement. Furthermore, the top bar allows you to record or upload content to an existing video project. You can mark videos as favorites, add them to playlists for better organization, move them to different directories, and import and edit them in Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a video editing tool that integrates seamlessly with Stream, offering advanced editing features like transitions, text overlays, and special effects. You also have the option to download or delete your work as needed. For sharing and managing access to your videos, you can choose between editing or viewing options to control who can edit or view your content. The Share button enables you to share the video externally via a link or embed it outside of Stream, such as in a SharePoint site or a Teams channel. The Manage Access button within the Share option allows you to control who can interact with your video, ensuring that sensitive content is only accessible to authorized users. The next in line is Office Configurator. To access the Microsoft Configurator, go to the list of all admin centers and click on Office Configuration. Here you can create Office deployment policies and allow enterprises to manage it for the users. Also, you can manage the device configurations that work alongside the Office deployment tool. On the left, we have several different options. In the Customization menu, you can customize device configuration and policy management. In the device configuration, you can have different types of configurations, like standard configurations and modern app settings. To create a policy, simply click on Create option. First, enter its desired name. Next, specify the system architecture in which it will be deployed. After that, select the apps that you want to allow the users for installation. The next option is the Update channel. An update channel refers to a specific path that defines when and what updates users receive. OCT itself doesn't have a setting for specifying the update channel. OCT can be used to set the update channel during deployment. On the right side, you can see a bunch of options that depict what things are added to the configuration. There are some other options as well as we go down. All of these configurations are saved in an XML file. Once you are done with the configuration, simply download that file. After creating the device configuration, you may need to manage it, and for that, you have to go to Policy Configuration. Here, click on Create option. First, name the policy along with its description, which might include its purpose. Next, select the scope of the policy. In the scope, you can apply it to users of any specific group or limit it to only anonymous people accessing it via the web. Further, you can add groups as well, which lets you add only selected users. When you click on the Next, a Policy Configuration tab is opened. Here you will see different types of standard options that you can change. If you are familiar with group policies in the Active Directory, then these will look familiar to you. If you want to change any settings, simply click on them. For instance, if I want to change Allow co-authors to chat within a document, I will simply click on it and set its status from Not Configured to Enabled, and then click on Apply. So, this way you can set your desired settings. Every week or month, some new settings come in which you can configure. Once you are finished, you simply click on Next and then review the changes. Then click on Create. This will create the configuration policy. Now you can see in the policy configuration that a policy is created. The next feature is Health, which focuses on monitoring the health of applications deployed through Microsoft 365 Apps Configuration Policies. It monitors app installation and functionality. The Health option provides an overview of the deployment status and health of Microsoft's 365 applications, like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, installed on user devices within your organization. It identifies and flags potential issues that might prevent applications from functioning correctly. The last option is the Inventory feature, which, as the name suggests, will keep lists of all the apps along with their configurations. Next in line is the Endpoint Manager Tenant Admin. This is a cloud-based service from Microsoft that allows you to manage and secure various endpoints within your organization. These endpoints can include desktop PCs, Windows, Mac OS, laptops, mobile devices, phones, tablets, and servers. This role grants users specific administrative permissions within the Microsoft Endpoint Manager service for your tenant. Some of the key actions an Endpoint Manager Tenant Admin can perform are manage devices, deploy applications, configure compliance policies, and monitor and troubleshoot device enrollment, configuration, or application deployment. The Endpoint security in Microsoft Endpoint Manager with Intune works by setting configuration, defining the security posture you want for your devices, enforcing policies on devices, monitoring device compliance, and taking corrective actions by addressing non-compliance issues to improve device security. The most important thing that we have here is the full Tenant Administrator Center. Tenant administration in Microsoft 365 comes with a set of tools and functionalities that allow you to manage various aspects of your organization's Microsoft 365 tenant. This involves managing users, licenses, security settings, services, and subscriptions within your tenant. Here you can check the connection status of the tenant. Also, you can access the information about service health and message center. On the left side of the pane, there are several options that you can use. The Remote Help feature in Microsoft Endpoint Manager allows authorized support personnel to remotely connect to user devices enrolled in your organization's Microsoft 365 tenant. This enables them to diagnose and troubleshoot issues users might be facing with their devices. So if you click on Remote Help Sessions, you will see a list of currently established remote connections. To turn it on, go to the Settings tabs in the middle. Then click on Configure option and from there select the Enable option. Afterwards, click on Save to apply the changes. The other thing you can configure is the Microsoft Tunnel Gateway. Microsoft Tunnel Gateway is a feature within Microsoft Endpoint Manager that allows you to create a secure VPN, virtual private network connection between your on-premises network and Microsoft 365 cloud services. When you set up Microsoft Tunnel Gateway servers on your on-premises network, these servers create a secure tunnel to Microsoft 365. Devices enrolled in your Microsoft 365 tenant can connect to the VPN through the tunnel. Once connected, user traffic is routed securely through the tunnel to Microsoft 365 services or on-premises resources. Similarly, you can also set up profiles for VPN to Microsoft app for both iOS and Android. The next important feature is the connections and tokens. Connectors act as bridges between Microsoft Endpoint Manager and other external services you might use in your organization. Tokens are credentials used to authenticate the connection between Endpoint Manager and these external services. The first service in the list on the left is the Microsoft Enterprise Certificate. This option pertains to the deployment, renewal, and management of enterprise certificates, which are vital for establishing secure and authenticated connections between devices, users, and networks. Enterprise certificates play a significant role in ensuring that data transmissions are encrypted and come from a trusted source. In the context of Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager, this feature allows administrators to handle certificates efficiently, thereby maintaining robust security protocols across all managed Windows devices. Additionally, the Admin Center provides a user-friendly interface with clear navigation and informational messages to guide administrators in managing user permissions directly from Intune. If you want to deploy a digital certificate for authentication purposes, for that, you can create it using the Windows Enterprise Certificate. Based on your Microsoft or Intune subscription, you might have the option of Microsoft Store for Business. Further, if you want to sync an app that a user has purchased, then you need to enable the Store for Business Sync feature. Alternatively, if you are not using a Windows Enterprise Certificate, then you can use a Windows Digi Certificate. Other things that we have got here in Endpoint Manager is the Privileged Identity Manager. Privileged Identity Manager is a cloud-based Azure Active Directory, Azure AD service that helps you manage and control access to privileged resources within your Microsoft 365 tenant. Privileged resources are resources that can perform sensitive actions or access critical data, such as administrator accounts in Azure AD or Microsoft 365 services. For Privileged Identity Manager, you need to have Microsoft 365 E5 or Microsoft 365 E5 security subscription. Next, we have a roles option, where we can assign roles to each user in the organization. The rest of the options include End User Experiences, Windows Auto Patch, and Microsoft Managed Desktop. IT administrators responsible for managing devices, applications, and security within your organization typically require the Endpoint Manager Tenant Admin role. This role is crucial for maintaining a secure and compliant endpoint environment. The next one is the all-new Entra Admin Portal. The Entra Admin Portal is the unified web interface for managing identity and access within your Microsoft 365 environment. It essentially replaces the older Azure Active Directory, Azure AD administration portal, and offers a more comprehensive experience. You can access it by clicking on Microsoft Entra in the All Admin Centers option of Microsoft Admin Center. Here on the left, you can see a number of options like Identity Protection, Identity Governance, Learn and Support, and more. If I go to the Enterprise Applications section, under the Applications option of Identity, there will be a list of applications. Here you can manage the non-Microsoft services. In most cases, there is a one-time operation to set each of these up, where you'll configure Microsoft Entra ID as the identity provider for that app or service, its integration details, and which users or groups can access it. Further, if you have an Active Directory service, you can configure it within this hybrid management to work directory with Entra ID to sync the services using various scenarios. You can use Microsoft Entra to manage these IDs, which can be either groups, users, or devices. Further, these IDs might contain applications or resources like virtual machines hosted via the cloud. In the Protection tab, you will find authentication methods that can be used to enable multi-factor authentication. The next one is Universal Print. To access the Universal Print, just like the Microsoft Stream, go to All Admin Centers and from there, search for Universal Print. This was introduced first in Windows 10 with the idea of sharing printers in an organization. Here on the left, you can see several options. In the Printer Share option, you will see all the connected printers. However, if you do not have any connected printers, then simply click on Connectors and install a connector manually. This feature, by the way, also supports the window printers that do not support Universal Print. Now let's go to the Print Share option, here to share a printer on a network. First, click on Add. A pop-up will appear right away on the right side. Here you have to enter your share name and select the respective printer that is available on your network. Here you can specify the users who are allowed to use the shared printer. Once done, simply click on Share Printer option. So it is really simple and easy to set up. Another cool feature that comes with Universal Print is document conversion. This is especially useful when you want to convert non-standard Microsoft documents. The document conversion feature in Universal Print acts as a translator, ensuring your documents are compatible with a wider range of printers, ultimately enhancing printing reliability and success. When a user tries to print a document, Universal Print checks the format. If the format isn't directly supported by the target printer, the document conversion feature kicks in. You can simply turn on this feature to avoid any compatibility issues. Now, let's delve into one of the most compelling applications in the Microsoft 365 Admin Portal, Microsoft Search and Intelligence. It is an essential tool designed to optimize your organization's search functionality and provide valuable insights. Let's explore its features in detail. Starting with the overview, this dashboard serves as a centralized hub, offering a comprehensive view of search performance and insights from all other options. It provides a quick snapshot of key metrics, helping you monitor and assess the effectiveness of your search configurations at a glance. Insights is a critical section that breaks down search data into actionable categories. The summary section presents an aggregate view of search activities, highlighting key trends and patterns. User Analytics dives deeper, showing how users interact with the search feature, including search frequency and behavior patterns. Query Analytics helps you understand what users are searching for, identifying popular queries, and revealing gaps in the search experience. Connection Analytics provides insights into the performance of your connected data sources, ensuring they deliver relevant results. Answer Analytics evaluates the effectiveness of predefined answers, while Feedback collects user input, offering opportunities for continuous improvement. The Answers section empowers you to create and manage various types of responses to user queries. In the Acronyms section, you can define and explain specific terms and abbreviations used within your organization, enhancing understanding. Bookmarks allow you to highlight and provide quick access to important resources, improving navigation and efficiency. The Locations section helps users find physical addresses and office locations within your organization, fostering better connectivity. Q&A enables you to set up commonly asked questions and their answers, ensuring users get immediate, accurate information. Data Sources is where you manage your data connections. This section displays all existing connections and provides options to add new ones, ensuring your search functionality pulls data from all relevant sources, both internal and external. Properly managing data sources is crucial for delivering comprehensive search results. Customizations lets you fine-tune the search experience to meet your organization's specific needs. Result types allow you to define and categorize different types of search results, such as documents, people, or sites. Verticals organize search results into logical categories, making it easier for users to find what they're looking for. Schema defines the structure of your search data, ensuring consistency and accuracy. Relevance tuning gives you control over how search results are ranked and displayed, allowing you to prioritize the most important information. Lastly, Configurations offers settings for Microsoft Search and Bing, enabling you to customize the search experience further. You can manage Bing extensions, set up shortcuts for quick access to frequently used features, and configure insights related to meetings, items, and people. These settings help integrate Microsoft Search seamlessly into your organization's workflow, providing relevant results and insights where they are most needed. The last hidden admin portal is the Microsoft Teams new admin app. Under All Admin Centers, launch the Teams application. Here you will see a lot different admin options on the left pane, just like other admin portals. Here in Teams option, you can manage the teams within your organization, including creating new teams, setting up team policies, and managing team settings. Next in Teams devices, you can manage certified devices that are used with Teams, such as conference room equipment, phones, and other devices. Under the Meetings option, you can configure meeting settings, policies, and features like meeting recordings and live events. The Messaging option allows you to set up and manage messaging policies, which can control features like chat, mentions, and use of Giphy, stickers, and memes. In the Voice section, you can manage voice-related settings, including call plans, phone numbers, and voice routing. The Frontline Deployment is a specialized section for deploying teams to frontline workers, with tools and settings tailored to their unique needs. The Analytics and Reports section provides access to various analytics and reporting features that help you understand usage patterns, user activity, and other important metrics within Teams. So now you're equipped with knowledge of these 7 powerful admin portals. Explore these portals in a test environment before deploying changes to your production environment. Subscribe for more Microsoft 365 admin tips and tricks. Leave a comment below with any questions you have about these secret portals. Check out the video on the right for more content to help you develop your IT career.